Stop background activity on your iPhone to save battery and data. If your iPhone battery drains fast or your data usage is too high, this setting can fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll down again and tap on Background App Refresh. Here, you'll see a list of apps that are allowed to run in the background and use your data and battery. If you want to stop specific apps, you can simply toggle them off one by one. For example, apps like Facebook or Instagram often use a lot of background activity. But if you want to completely stop all background activity, tap on Background App Refresh at the top. Now select Off. Once you do this, all apps will stop refreshing in the background, which helps save battery life and reduce data usage. Don't worry, apps will still update when you open them. This is one of the best settings to improve your iPhone performance instantly. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips, and check out the next video on your screen for another useful trick.